So hello everyone, today we are going to play Dragon Block, and I know it's been a while, like I haven't played Dragon Blocks for like 5 or 6 months now, I guess. I don't know, because I had quit this game. I came back only because y'all asked me to, otherwise I wouldn't have, I guess, probably. But anyways, there's a lot of things new things have come to this game. I mean, as soon as I quit this game, the developers started releasing like crazy updates, and I was like, what the fuck, bro? Why would they do that to me? But whatever, dude, I am back now, but I ain't getting anything from Rise now, so we are kinda poor at the moment, and I had given away everything I used to have, so I am extremely poor right now. But I have a solution how to get rich again, so that's not going to be a problem. Now, first of all, let's get rich real quick. Let's use my trick now real quick.
Day later.
Yeah, that was my trick. What do you mean by it was very unfair? I don't know what you mean at all. Anyways, now I have to evolve my technique first, because like, look at this, none of my technique is like decent. Only this one is like level 40, but there's this level 54 which is not even great, only decent right now. So we also have to upgrade this transformation, which I didn't understand how to previously, because that's why it's not evolved and all. And we have to evolve this shit and understand this, how many rebirth we have to get for next transformation and all, new words, and I have to check out a lot of things. But the goal for this video is going to be 1000 rebirth, I guess. Probably I wanna catch up to everyone again, so we have to get all maximum rebirths now, which is gonna be a pain in the ass, of course. Now let's begin with that real quick. Wait a second, what the hell is this Shamrock now? What is this thing coming on my goddamn face? Event boss? Alright, is there event going on and I don't even know that? Crazy, bro. Okay, where is Shamrock? I'm gonna kick his ass so bad. Okay, there he is. Not a lot of HP, 500k. That's so mid. I used to destroy Mecha. What the fuck was that name? Oh, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is... Wait, we got animation now? What the heck? Okay, whatever the fuck. I'm gonna kick his ass anyway. Boom. Oh, what? Okay, he ran away. Goddamn. Oh, what the fuck? How is the bandit flying? Oh, what the fuck is going on actually? What the fuck? Bro. Alright, it's time to take my revenge. How did he just dodge that? Okay, whatever. Let's use this. Okay, it's not doing really damage. Now let's use this. Yep, that did the job. Easy. No sweat, bro. Okay, what the heck is this now? Lucky token. I don't know what does they do, but whatever, I'll collect them now. Oh, so you can buy things from this tokens. Okay, what can I buy right now? Okay, there's a lot of things to buy from this. I see. I don't see anything really crazy though. I only see like accessories and decent items. These are all alright things, not anything crazy. Okay, I'm not going to grind this Shamrock anyway. Alright, now let's take some tips to get a rebirth fastly. Okay, this DJ gamer is going to give me that now. Alright, let's hear it. He knows some tip. Alright. Oh, go boy. Bro is trying to do aura farm here. Too bad. How many rebirth do you got? Is that supposed to matter? 504. He's impressed, huh? Whatever, dude. What's the maximum rebirth though? So now we are going to try to defeat the new raid box, because I cannot get 700 rebirths, because that's just straight up insane. Boy, these animations look so great. I love these. W change. Anyways, now let's start. No way we are getting destroyed, right? And by the way, Raven is going to help us destroy this new raid boss. I hope he can. I don't have to carry him, that's all. Alright, okay. Why can't I fly? Is there... Okay, we can't fly here, I guess. Shit, bro, that's just bad. Okay, 10 million HP, that's kind of a lot, actually. Alright, let's try to do this. Okay, yes, that did some damage. Nice. Okay, alright, that's doing some damage. Okay, goddamn, 50k damage. 50k damage and he's chasing me now. Shit, bro, run. I gotta run, bro. I gotta run. Okay, he's on him now. Right, nice. Okay, let's go. Alright, he's getting cooked right now. Half HP down. Alright, okay, I am low. Okay, just 2k HP. Okay, I'm dead. I'm so dead right now. One more attack and I'm dead. One more attack and I'm dead. Okay, I gotta run. How is Raven fighting him? Okay, bro, dude. And I'm dead, bro. And this time we got even more health. Demon, Goku Black Dora, and Lord Goku. No way we are going to get destroyed now. Alright, let's go. Alright, 1 million HP already down. We are winning this so easy. Okay, let's do my awakening real quick. Let's go. He's gonna get destroyed so bad now. Alright, he's 6 million down. That's good. What the okay. He's running away. I see it. Alright, no problem. He's gonna get destroyed no matter what. Alright, he's so low right now. Alright, I just gotta spam. Just spam, bro. Okay, let's use my magic real quick. My magic admin orb. Okay. Okay, he's running. Loser. Okay, he's running. He's dodging my attack. Shit. Okay, shit, he's dodging my attack. 50k HP down. Oh, god damn it. Alright. Bro, he's dodging my attacks and I cannot fly because... Oh, bro, this is a pain in the ass. And okay, I'm low. I gotta run. I have to run. Okay, I'm safe now. Let's attack from here, I guess. I can't do anything else right now, otherwise I'll just get cooked by him. Okay, nice. Whoa, bro. How? What the hell? How? Alright, we are doing good this time. He's getting cooked. He's getting... Okay. I know I'm dead. I don't even want to say anything anymore. I know I'm dead. There's no point in running away even, bro. I know I'm dead. Third try also down, bro. Okay, he hasn't killed me, right? So let's do some damage anyway. Till then, okay. Anyway, bro, I didn't even try this time now. I'll just get this freaking orb now. Okay, where it is? Alright, there. Alright, let's go get it now, real quick. Okay, where it is again? Okay, it's not showing anymore. Let me use this again. Alright, there. Oh, there you go. Boom. Alright, got this. What is this? Bro, I don't even want to play this game anymore, bro. Alright, so I don't feel like I can defeat this new boss anyway. And look at these two both. They didn't even help. I had to carry them. And now they're dancing on me. Alright, whatever. I want to dance too. Yes, sir. Who gives a fuck about this motherfucker new raid boss? I can still kick Mecha ass as long as he is in the game. Yes, sir. But that was for the video. I'll see you in the next one. And tell me in the comment, do you want to see more of these Dragon Blocks content? And I will make them, of course. Now, bye bye.